On today's video, we're going to change out some wiper blades on the 2007 Toyota Tundra. This works on 2007 to 2011. These wipers are pretty bad. They're pretty wore out. They don't clean my windshield very good. They said it's supposed to rain here a little bit today in Bakersfield, so I'm going to change them out before it rains. Looks like it's going to rain. I gotta change out my windshield wipers. Pretty bad. So let's see what I got here. Rain's coming. Okay, the wiper blades I bought is a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 22-inch blade for the passenger side. I got the Bosch FS26OE driver side, FS22OE for the passenger side. Let's go ahead and install them. Okay, how you remove this one, it has this retainer clip on it, this metal clip. All you do is you use something here to push it in, and then just slide the retainer clip out. Then you move, get from the side over here, you move this forward and just slide it out. Okay, now the new one is different. It has these little clips right here. You have different clips for different models, but for the Toyota it comes with it already on there. So how you put it on is this little pin there. You just put it right on top like that, and then you hit these two clips down here and just snap it in. See how it snapped in? There it is there. That's all you have to do. Now you don't have to put this retainer clip on. That's for the old one. It's already on there, so that's secure. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.